And as you guys know, I give away $100 every single YouTube video at the beginning. So the winner for today's video is going to be Philip Taljard. This is his comment right here on my last video, and you guys can read it if you want to pause it and take a look at that. Pretty long comment, but congrats to you, Philip. Make sure you either drop a comment on this video with your PayPal email, or you DM me on Instagram or email me. Whatever you want to do, send me your PayPal. And if you want to be entered, all you have to do is like the video and drop a comment, and you're entered to win the giveaway. I'll be announcing the next winner on my next video, so see you there. What is up, guys? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Right now, I'm actually in New York City in Manhattan for the first time ever. I've been to New York to Buffalo, but I've never been to the city. So I'm here right now, actually at my boy Alan's apartment. Just got this brand new. He's moved in for now. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. Right on Park Avenue here. Alright, so Alan, let's just see your room or a little tour real quick. What do we got going on here?
Say 4 bedrooms, 1, 2, 3. Actually, 3 bedrooms.
Alright guys, we made it to the office now. We're in Manhattan chilling at Modell's. Here's Max. And actually Abe, he's really good with Facebook ads. He's gonna be coming over. We're gonna be showing you guys some of the basics of Facebook ads, how to set everything up, and basically teaching you some stuff, giving you guys some gold nuggets you've probably never seen or heard before on any dropshipping YouTube video or course, whatever. Alan's really smart, Abe's really smart. We're gonna give you guys some gold nuggets, and I got a surprise for you at the end, so we'll see you there. So if you guys don't know Alan already, if you're new to my channel, new to my videos, whatever, he's an 18-year-old serial entrepreneur. And what do you get popular from the most?
The fidget spinners. Basically, Forbes said that my company is the reason why they're a thing, so we kind of made them blow up, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, and then you got started heavily in dropshipping.
Did some pretty big numbers. Like over here, here's one of our months, 207,000 in about a month.
And that was that's a 2018, right?
Yeah, it's 2018. So this is
January 22nd.
And that's my partner Abe over there. Anyways, Abe and I, with our combined efforts, we've actually done about over 7 figures this year alone since January. So we're doing pretty well at dropshipping. We have a lot of good tactics that we use that we don't normally share, but I guess we'll talk about them more in the video. But
tell people what's better, influencers on Instagram or Facebook?
Facebook ads. Facebook. People don't understand this, but like Facebook ads now is like the Google SEO of like the 2000s, right? Where it's like Facebook ads, it works on a bidding system, right? So inevitably, you know, over the next 5-10 years, more people are going to join Facebook ads, meaning that the price of everything's going to go up. So I'd say now it's time to get in. Now's the best time to start learning it. And again, if you don't do Facebook ads, you'll never have to work a job. Or if you want to work a job, you can get hired anywhere you want, because every single company and their marketing team wants to do Facebook ads, and they don't understand how to do it. Abe and I got an office from multiple.
Facebook has over 1 billion users, so you have infinite reach. You could literally target anybody you want. So if you want to get into hitting huge numbers, you got to get into Facebook ads, because Instagram influencers.
It's limited, yeah.
Yeah, you can't really scale. They're not scalable like Facebook ads. And Facebook is like on autopilot, so.
Yeah, exactly. Like with influencers, you have to manage everything, like buying the shout outs, you know, making sure the ad's good, whatever. And Facebook is somewhat automated once you get all the interest and everything. I don't know how it all works. I'm still in the learning process.
We're teaching you. We're getting those numbers up a little bit.
Alan and Abe, they know what they're doing. They're smart with this. Alright, so now I want to show you guys some actual content from Alan that shows exactly how to find products, winning products on Facebook. It's something you guys have probably never seen before, a strategy that not even I have heard of before until I saw this. So I'm going to lead into it now.
So yeah, these are one of those really good tactics that not a lot of people know about, but again, as more people know about them, it'll get a little bit more saturated. So if you're watching this, well, you know, if you're one of the first people watching this within the first few weeks, I would say utilize this as much as possible. So enjoy the little clip. Hey, what is up, guys? Alan here. I'm going to be showing you guys a little, you know, quick 2-3 minute video on how to actually start finding a successful product from Facebook search alone. So usually, I mean, again, this is a little bit, I don't want to say it's scripted, but we've obviously done this before. So basically, you would switch up generic kind of terms that, you know, advertisers would run in their ads. So you want to look up stuff like, I don't know, 50 off, maybe. Let's just see here. Again, this takes a good amount of searching. You know, it'll take you a good amount of time. Basically, one of the most important things you want to do is, for the date posted, you want to hit 2018, so it's obviously a more recent ad. If it's an ad from 2016, you know, 2015, whatever it is, it's going to be way less relevant. So going here, we're going to scroll down. This one's not bad. It has like 2.7K comments. Again, not bad. Post from your group, not a lot in there. So let's look up, I don't know, like snag yours here. Again, you want to make the date 2018, so it's more recent. Let's scroll down. Let's see all. This is, again, very low engagement. All these 1K is not bad. Let's see. All right, here we go. 400,000 people like this. From a page called Affinity Find. As you can see, snag your series, but actually set off the keyword. Now, one of the most important things we have to do is when we go to the comments, we have to click from oldest. So that way we see the most recent comments. If we look here, people are commenting, you know, from 8 hours ago, 7 hours ago, 6 hours ago, all the way up until 15 minutes ago. So we know for a fact that this company is consistently running ads for this product very recently. And again, companies aren't putting a lot of money towards ads that are keep popping up if they're losing money. They're only doing it if they're making a lot of money. So this company's making a lot of money. They know for a fact, we as consumers know for a fact that this company is profiting, and then we can actually profit off of that. So let's real quick. Let's go ahead, click on this page, Affinity Find, and let's just like it so that we're able to monitor them moving forward. Because again, they are running successful ads. They're obviously doing something right.
Sweet. So you guys know that strategy is really, really effective. Now you know that if someone's spending a ton of money towards an ad with a really high engagement, for a fact it's making them a ton of money. I'm just trying to speak a little bit slower. But anyways, now that you find your golden product, now you find your baby gold egg, you want to figure out how you're going to start actually step by step running ads for them. So actually, Abe over here, we're going to show you in a video in the description at, I think Chen will put the exact minute mark of what it's at, to go and watch how Abe does a step-by-step example on how to actually run that exact ad and how much we made from that. We had a $2 cost per purchase on a $90 product. So enjoy that video in the description.
Real quick, what else are you up to right now besides dropshipping and everything?
A whole bunch of stuff. So Max and I have a company now where we have an agency where we basically sell a service to a lot of clients like restaurants, and then we have billion-dollar clients like Models, Ranch, stuff like that. And there's a bunch of other stuff you can say.
Social media marketing, you guys know the agencies, they can do really well.
About to hit 20K this month, recurring revenue for the next.
And how long ago did you start the business?
What, 3 weeks ago?
Crazy. 20K a month. Residual income is where it's at, guys. So Abe and Alan actually left. They're actually heading to another place in New York. I'm still here with Max. We're getting some work done. He's setting up a new store. We're still in the Modell's office till we have to head to New Jersey. We're just gonna be chilling there for the night. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed that webinar. If you haven't clicked the link in my description already, go check it out. You're gonna get a lot of valuable information from Alan and Abe. They're not very high-key people about how much money they make and what exactly they're doing, but they're very smart. Alan's probably one of the smartest young entrepreneurs that I've ever met, and I've met a lot of them. Some people are fake and they just make up stuff, and some people are real, and I'm definitely here to tell you that Alan is a real one, and they provide some really good content, and of course, it's for a price. They do have a dropshipping course, and I went through it, honestly, and I've been through a few dropshipping courses, a few affiliate marketing courses, different stuff, and Alan and Abe's course is actually probably one of the best dropshipping courses that I've ever been through. It actually went to depth in Facebook ads because I feel like right now, the time for dropshipping where the whole e-commerce space is right now, the best way to utilize the advantage of making money without having inventory with dropshipping is through Facebook ads. And I know I've always preached influencers from the start. A lot of dropshippers talk about that. But Abe and Alan have actually came up with a certain strategy that allows you to actually test products on Facebook for not that high of a price. So if you want to go check it out, I'll put a link to the description if you want to check out the course. It may be a high price for you, but of course, it's all about the perceived value and how much you think it's actually worth to you. If you only have $500 in your bank account and the course costs $500, don't spend all your money on that course, because of course you're gonna need some money to spend to test these products, to run the Facebook ads, to see how everything works and utilize everything that needs to be done. So don't just spend all your money. If you have some extra money sitting around, a few $100, you could spend it on a new phone or some designer clothes, but why would you not do that when you can invest money into yourself? Investing money into yourself is probably one of the best things you can do to become a more successful person, both emotionally, physically, whatever it may be, by investing in yourself, whether it's a gym membership or a dropshipping course, helping yourself make money. Because if you want to make money, you can't just spend it on dumb stuff. I actually bought a Gucci hoodie when I was in Miami. It was like $1,300, and then the day later, as soon as I bought it, I was like, really regretted it, because why would you spend $1,300 on a hoodie? It has the logo on there, but it's just a hoodie. This is a $10 shirt from Kohl's. So I took the shirt back. Alan convinced me to take it back. I really regretted what I did. I actually bought it in Miami, then the next day I got to Dallas, Texas, and then I returned it at the mall. So it's all about investing in yourself in stuff that'll actually make you money instead of wasting it on dumb stuff that basically just tears you down. It's not even an investment, it just makes you lose money. There it is. Check the link in the description if you're interested, or if you have any questions, make sure to hit up me, Alan, Abe, any of us. We're here to help. We're not the type of people to just, sell you something and then ghost on you. I never really promote my dropshipping course, especially most of my new subscribers and new viewers, because, I don't really feel like I need to. It's something that's not as relevant anymore, because I made it in January. I launched it for 3 days, and that was it. And then people started reselling it, it's a big mess. But anyways, I'm working on a new course that's actually gonna have features on there like Alan and Abe and a bunch of other people. We're talking about the stuff within e-commerce that a lot of people aren't talking about. So it's gonna be really helpful for a lot of you guys. It's not gonna be a super high ticket item. It's gonna be something affordable for all of you guys. And if you have a little bit of spare money to invest in yourself, I definitely recommend you stay tuned till July 10th. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.